In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer contacts from iPhone 11 to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase a very convenient method to easily transfer all of your contacts. This method doesn't need you to connect your iPhone to a PC or a laptop, and all that you have to do is have access to iCloud and export your contacts by downloading them on the new Android phone. So to start, on the iPhone, what you have to do is open the settings. On your iPhone 11, go to the settings and you will find your Apple ID at the top. Tap on your name or on your account. You will see all of the information about the Apple ID, and what you have to do is go into the iCloud settings. In here, you can see everything that is being synchronized on iCloud. So choose the option to see all, next to saved to iCloud, and double check to see if your contacts are being saved. So this option at the right side of contacts must be enabled. This way you will be able to download your contacts on the Android device. With contacts synchronization enabled, the last thing to do is to perform a backup to ensure that all of them will be transferred over. So tap on backup and then back up now. Now that the backup has been updated with the latest information about all of your contacts, go to the Android device and open a web browser. So now to finish this process, you have to do it on the Android smartphone. Open a web browser and go to the iCloud website. So because you aren't able to use the application, you have to go to iCloud.com through a web browser. When you arrive at this page, sign in with your Apple ID. And once you are signed into your account, tap the three dots and choose the option to see a desktop site. This is very important, otherwise you will not be able to find the option to download the contacts. So go to iCloud.com, sign in with your account, and then enable desktop site viewing mode. Now, you will find contacts on this different layout, so choose contacts from here. You will see a list of all of your contacts from A to Z, but what actually matters is at the bottom. So scroll all the way down, and at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will find the settings icon. Tap on settings and first select all of your contacts and then export the vCard. The vCard is the file that contains all of their information. So as soon as you select all of them, or you choose individual contacts that you would like to transfer over and select export vCard, the file containing all of them will be downloaded. Open this file and you will be presented with the option to import or transfer your contacts into your new Android phone or your Google accounts, whatever you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer contacts from iPhone 11 to Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.